Hello guys, today we're going to be making kunafa. If you guessed it from the last video, good job, but if you didn't, it is kunafa. And for this recipe we need kunafa dough, nuts, sugar, ghee, and coconut powder. The full amounts are in the description down below, so make sure to go there if you want to make this recipe for yourself. And okay, so now we're just putting our coconut powder and our sugar onto our... After that we just put our ghee. And also, if you're wondering why we have 2 cups of ghee, one of them is 1 full cup, the others are just half a cup. Make sure it is well mixed, and after that leave it for 1 hour. Okay, so now we're putting half the kunafa. Okay guys, so now we're just putting our nuts, which are basically pistachios and almonds, and we're also putting our raisins. And on top of that we're putting... We left it plastic wrapped for 2 hours, and make sure it has some weight on it. Anything will do, just like we just put it right there. You can even put a frying pan, you can put a window, you can put a cupboard, you can put anything you want. Okay, so now we are just putting the rest of the ghee that we left from... Okay, so after that we put it in an oven for about 30 minutes. So yeah, make sure to check that the base is well cooked. And yeah, let's continue. Okay, so as you can see it looks perfect. We turn it upside down after cooking it for 30 minutes in the oven. And yeah, now we're just going to put some syrup on it. It's called sugar syrup. So yeah, its ingredients are in the description. And yeah, this is what it looks like after it's been cut. And yeah, as you can see, it definitely looks amazing. There's no question about that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to check out my other videos. See you in the next one.